What is up, you guys? We're back today. It's the very next weekend. It snowed. Like, I have snow through the bottom of the shop. Like, we got like 4 or 5 inches or something like that. Anyways, it's cold. Freezing out. We got the heaters crunk and all that good stuff, but we're pretty dedicated. So here we are. This video we're doing today is going to be on time serts. Stripped head bolts, stripped head bolts on the LS, any stripped head bolts. This is the proper way to do it, and this is the way majority of all really good machine shops will fix it. If you're not gonna just throw bigger studs in it or something like that, or bigger bolts. But this is the proper way of fixing it. Alright, so right here I got my time cert kit, and I'm going to show you what it comes, how it comes from the company, and I'm really impressed by it. It came pretty quick. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. Alright, you guys, what's up? I've got everything kind of set up here. Got heaters crunk, table kind of set up, energy drinks. These dudes need to sponsor us because I drink the shit out of them. Anyways, so this is the time cert kit. As you see, it comes in a really nice package. M11 by 2.0 head bolt universal. That's for the Gen 4, Gen 3 LS's. Probably almost all the LS's, but I can't say for sure. I'll have to do some more research and I'll let you know. But yeah, so as soon as you open up, you got foam right here, and it's built into the case. It don't come out. Pretty cool. You take this piece, this is your instructions. So right here's your instructions. Check the back. There's more instructions. So that's the part number if you want it for your LS. Alright. Now you take that, put it up there. Now voila. So you've got, when you buy it, buy the kit, you only get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My bad. So you only get 10 in the kit, right? So I bought an extra 10 to do all of them at once, because these are stronger than the aluminum. So once you put these bad boys in, you're good to go. You ain't gotta worry about ruining your aluminum block or anything like that. So it comes with time cert, thread locker, and sealer, up to 500 degrees, high strength, high temp, part number, made in the USA. Makes you happy when you see that. Driver oil, do not repackage, yada yada yada. Pretty good container. You got some bolts here. Not for sure what them do. You got some more bolts here. Not for sure what them do. You got a pretty good size tap here. And then you got a pretty good size drill bit. And then you got your drill bit stopper. So yeah, I'm gonna read the instructions, try and figure it out. I've got the shop dog. She's enjoying her little bed she got with a heater and another heater. I got my poor girlfriend out here froze to death. So we put the top studs in because there's no issues with these ones. We're filling the lifter holes with paper towels. I'm gonna fill my side in. And yeah, we're gonna get this done. Okay, so I'm gonna pull these centering studs out. Yada yada yada. So I got my hose blocked off, my water jacket blocked off, all that stuff. You gotta watch for all this, but that plate should help a lot with the covering, so let's read instructions. Okay, what's up you guys? After a little bit of confusion and a whole bunch of real stupid things happened, so pretty much what you're doing is, if you order this kit, it comes with really good directions, but they'll send you this little metal ruler thingy. Now, I ain't no carpenter, so don't even ask me if I know how to read this thing. I count dashes, lines, you know, I count them. Because I ain't no carpenter. Anyways, so this is what you do. You'll take this and you'll stick it down the back side of the block to where it touches the top thread. You get that measurement, and then you add 25 millimeters to it. So I'll show you kind of what that is. For your block, so you come up to your block, you slide this down the back side, you slide this all the way down, you pull it out. So see how mine's 1, and it's, if you'll focus, 1, and it's dead on that second line. I'll move it up just a little bit so you can kind of see it. See? So 1, and it's dead on that second line. If anyone knows how to read a tape measure, please tell me what the fuck that second line is, because I have no idea. So pretty much you come, and your handy dandy directions right here. Yup. So you add 25 millimeter. Well, I don't know what 25 millimeters is. So if you flip it to this side, it says drill bushing, 25 millimeter or 1 inch. So you'll add another inch to your measurements if you're using the inch side. So instead of it being 1 and 2 lines, it will be yada yada yada. It'll be 2 and 2 lines if it'll zoom in, or focus, I mean. So pretty simple. You mark your tap, you mark your installer, you mark your drill bit wherever I put it, you mark your drill bit, and then this piece, don't put it on the lip of the drill bit, put it in the recess like I did right there, if it'll focus, and really tighten the crap out of it. And my mark is right there. It's a little crooked, but anyways, this piece goes on like this. It keeps you from pushing on through and destroying your block or whatever. And yeah, this sliding piece is a guide to keep you straight and in the hole right, yada yada yada. I'm gonna drill these, tap them. I'm probably gonna do 1 or 2 on camera, and then I'll just hurry up and do the rest and show you the finished outcome. What's up you guys? I'm here with the time sert prepared. So I've shown you the measurements and how to measure how deep you're gonna cut the thread or drill it, and then how deep the tap's gonna go, and then how deep the pusher's gonna go. So now the fixture plate, which is kind of the lifeline of this, you have this piece, which will be on your drill. It'll free to come off. You'll take this and you'll put it in the hole. Don't force it, don't make it work, don't beat it in with a hammer. Line it up, take your pin, this short end, goes right in the hole. It should slide right in there like it's butter. Just whammo. Now you know that's lined up right there. So your bolt hole's perfectly lined up. Just kind of hold it, snug down your bolts. Now your pin should come in and out nice and easy. It does that. You can put it back down up here. If you want to, you can run a third bolt, whatever. You technically only need 2. So now what you'll do is you'll put your drill down in, and this is going to keep you straight and where you need to be. So then you'll get your drill, you'll spray it with lubricant, you'll drill it out, then you'll clean up the threads. You'll just make sure, and I will repeat, make sure you have this in the groove, not on that little lip. It'll fall off that lip and you'll go straight through too far and you'll ruin your block. So remember, make sure it's super tight, make sure it's where it needs to be, or you will ruin your block. Now, what I'll do is I'll grab my drill and I'll drill this out, and I'll show you drilling it, and then we'll be good to go. step will be tapping the hole. I already blew the hole out with air to get all the metal chips out. So now they suggest using WD-40, PV Blast, whatever. Just lubricate the thread to cut good clean. Put your guider back in. Now you'll swap your locker back onto your tap. You'll put your tap in. I do not have a big enough tap handle for this, so I am using a ratcheting wrench. So what you'll do is you'll push in, make sure you stay straight, and this will keep you straight perfectly as long as you're using it correctly. So you'll go in. Now you go back some. Now you go in. And you just keep repeating this until you go all the way down. It's a timely process, but if you do it right, like you're supposed to the first time, you'll not do it again. So pull it out, see all that nasty stuff. You come over to your engine stand, blow it off, blow it out. Take your air hose. Watch your eyes. Stick the tap back in, all good stuff. Use a flashlight, check down in the hole. Make sure most of the aluminum's out. We're tapping beautiful threads right now. It looks like I know what I'm doing. Almost, sorta, not really. Let me turn my compressor off so you can hear me. Alright, so now we're back at it. I've got some nice, really nice threads coming in. Nice and easy. Now you can tell whenever you start hitting them again. Back it out. It feels like it needs a little bit of lubrication on there. So I'm going to pull it out and lube it. Just spray. Stick her back in. You'll get dirty doing this job, that's for sure. Make sure it starts by hand. It goes in. It started. Now hit it. And you'll just keep doing the same process all the way until it's done. Why you napping at the shop? Party foul.